Hey guys, we are going to be, let it focus.
I'm gonna go inside of these.
We're going to be showing you guys the Sunrun location. Yeah. So. Yeah. And we're going to be right here in a second. And we're here.
Yep.
And show it on the map where we are.
It's in the T, like our last video.
Last video we were at the T.
And there's a lot of
Sunruns over here.
It's especially on the right. And here. Like there's one.
One.
Yeah, I guess there's one. Not bad.
Yeah.
But
so
there was a lot.
That's the Sunrun location for you guys. I don't want this video to be too short, so we're going to add something on. What should we add on?
Where's the Teslas?
We are going to be showing you guys the hazardous van location.
If you don't know what's a hazardous van, it's like
a van that has poison. Toxic poison in the back, and
you cannot kill people with it. So.
You cannot. They only cough, I think. So yeah.
And it's for zombies?
No.
No.
Oh, there's a Tesla right there.
Really?
Behind you.
I'm gonna go get the Tesla first to see how good there is. And I just freaking ruined it. Is it fast? Yo, is this security? Please move. I don't want the cops on me.
911. Take your emergency.
They're not on you.
Oh my god.
911. What is your emergency?
That girl flipped. Where's my... Yo, actually this is going fast.
Hi, I need an ambulance.
Oh shit. Oh no!
Aren't Teslas electric?
Yeah, some.
Yeah, that's why it sounds like that.
Yeah, this is electric because it sounds like that. Oh, I don't want the Tesla
We'll
anymore.
be there in about a second. Right. And we are here, guys.
And let me show you the place. It's right here. Let me move this over here. So.
Yo, stop.
Okay, never mind. But if you find an H in this little tiny island, I think it's not a tiny island, but you know.
Like on the top over here. No.
This tiny island by right here. So it's right here. You see this by this big bridge right here? On top of it, there's like a H right there. If you guys see it. So yeah, and then there's like
A hazardous
there's
car.
like two houses. And then
Yo, just get to the point.
and then you steal it.
Why are you covering?
I don't know, right? But after
And this is the
noises,
hazardous
the cops are gonna find me.
hazardous ambulance thing.
Hazardous transport.
Yeah.
And you could see there is green stuff, toxic stuff coming out of there.
Yeah. So
With sirens out. So
yeah.
the people can move.
So that's all we wanted to show you guys today. And it drifts pretty well too.
Yeah.
That's all we wanted to show you guys today.
I'm gonna go in.
Please subscribe.
hit that like button.
Smash the like button, please. We would like to get to 50
And hit that notifications.
50 likes.
Yeah. No. 50 likes, please.
And yeah.
And comment.
Comment,
What should we do next?
and we're going to give
Tomorrow.
a giveaway on some games.
Yeah.
But they're my games, so
go.
a free giveaway. So go to my channel, like, subscribe, and we want to go to 100 subscribers.
Please.
And I will be giving away.
I will be giving away.
I will be giving away 2 games:
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty, Infinite Warfare, and Watch Dogs.
Only thing you're supposed to be doing in his channel, link in the description.
And
is-
comment down below, Jake Paul for life. Yeah. So,
and subscribe to his channel.
and subscribe.
And if you guys comment down below in my channel right now, and comment saying Jake Paul for life, I might give a giveaway too.
So
Stay tuned for that.
always stay golden. Bye.